So my first name is Kenda, and I live in Hendersonville, Tennessee.
How did you hear about our company, Kenda?
So I heard about the company through the former owner who I bought the property from.
Awesome. Can you tell me about the problem you were having?
Yeah, so since I live really close to kind of like the drainage area, I was having a tremendous amount of water that was coming through this side of the complex. And so there was a lot of standing water that was accumulating in the crawl space area. So we decided that a sump pump would be the best thing to use to keep that water out.
Awesome. Can you walk me through the experience you had with us, Kenda?
Yeah, so far it's just been really great. I really do feel like each person that has come out, first of all, they're incredibly personable, which really helps. And then just secondly, just any time that any work has been done, I can tell that it's been quality work, and I do really think that you think about the person that you're serving.
How has this work changed your home for the better?
Yeah, so for sure, the accumulation of water is not nearly to the degree that it was. So that's been a huge plus with the home. And then there has been some mold, but I do think that it has prevented the growth of it at a faster rate, which has been great.
And if a friend asked, why should I choose Frontier, what would you say?
Yeah, so if a friend asked me why would I choose Frontier, I would suggest to them that they are a company that first of all, just if you have any questions about anything, they're very knowledgeable. And then secondly, as shared earlier, like they really do seem to care about the person. So that's the biggest thing for me that is really important, especially as a homeowner.
Awesome. And what surprised you most about working with our company?
What surprised me most is just how efficient the company is. I get a phone call every single year letting me know that, hey, it's time for your annual sump pump. And then not only that, super flexible to make it work and always here on time and just always with a smile. So that's been great.
Awesome. Well, thanks a lot, Kenda.